Hi children. So in the previous session we have discussed about the series, that is nothing but progression, arithmetic progression. So in that the terms, first term, second term, third term, fourth term, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 like this. So and we have discussed even the general term, that is An, that even can say as last term or nth term of the arithmetic progression. So now without using that arithmetic progression nth term, without using that an formula, now we see how to find out the terms. That formula based we will discuss later. Without the formula, now we are going to do, that is how to identify first whether the given series is in an arithmetic progression or not. Example you see is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on an AP is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. An AP means the terms are in AP arithmetic progression or not. How to identify first term, second term, third term, fourth term and like this. So when you are writing, common difference is successive terms difference you have to take, that also second term minus first term. So common difference is equals to, that is denoted by as D. D can be A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. That means second term minus first term, third term minus second term, fourth term minus third term always should be the same, then only the arithmetic progression will be, we can say that the numbers of the given series is an arithmetic progression. So here A2, is it only up to 4 terms and so on, the continuation is there, but we are using only the 4 terms over here. Now common difference D is equals to, what is A2 here? A1. So in this A1 is equals to 2, A2 is equal to 4, A3 is equal to 6, A4 is equal to 8. Now we are going to find the difference. Observe it. These are the terms. Now I am using here, this side I am writing D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equals to A2, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Next, I'll check again. D is equal to A3 minus A2, which will be, third term is what? 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. You see now, difference here also 2, here also 2. Now, A3 minus A2 over, then A4 minus, D is equal to A4 minus A3, which will give you the difference 8 minus 6, that is A4. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2, therefore D is equal to 2. You see here, every place the common difference is same. How many terms are there? If they are asking you to check whether is it in AP or not, you have to verify, you have to find out the common difference for given terms in the series. If it is same in all the cases, then that series, that progression is called an arithmetic progression. So therefore common difference is same. Common difference is same, that is 2. Therefore 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on is an AP. So how to identify whether the terms are there in the AP or not? We have to find out the common difference in the given series. How to find common difference? A2 minus A1, second term minus first one. A3 minus A2, third term minus second term. A4 minus A3. So the difference, common difference is denoted by D. It should be same in all the cases. Here now we see exercise 5.1, question number 2. Write first four terms of AP when the first term A and common difference D is given as follows. So A is given, D is given. A is the first term. As we learned in the first session, terms are denoted by A1, A2, A3. The first term even can be denoted either A1 or A. So A1 or A is equal to 10. Common difference is 10. What is the definition of arithmetic progression? We have to add the common difference to get the successive terms. Except the first term, we add a fixed number. This is a fixed number to the first term to the preceding term to get the successive terms. Except the first term, we add a fixed digit to get the next terms to the preceding 8. Then we get the number of terms in arithmetic progression. So here first term is A, difference is given. We have to obtain the next four terms in this. So here solution A is equal to 10 and D is equal to 10 given. Means first term is A, D common difference is also 10. Now we are going to find second term A2. Remember, we are not using the formula over here. We are just directly writing by adding the common difference. A2 is equal to A plus D, which is equal to, observe it, 10 plus 10, the first term and the difference. We are adding 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now A3. For A3, now A2 plus D. A2 plus D. We are not using the formula. We are using only the simple technique to obtain the next term. We are adding. What is A2 you got? 20. So for 20, if you add the difference 10, then you will get A3. So 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. Then A4 is equal to A3 plus D, which is 30 plus 10 equal to 40. Next, A5 is equal to A4 plus D, which will be 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. How many terms he is asking? Next to 4 terms. Write the first 4 terms of an AP when the first term is given. So we wrote up to the next terms. First term is already 10. So next 4 terms we wrote, that is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Therefore, the next 4 terms are The next 4 terms are 20, 30, 40, 50. If you are avoiding the first term or the terms of the series, or you can write the next 4 terms are 20, 30, 40, 50. Why we wrote next 4 terms? Because already the first term is given as A10. Now here, and again don't get confusion. In the formula we wrote A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, A plus 4D. We are not using the formula. We are using a simple technique without the formula. That is 10 plus 10, A3. Second term plus the common difference. That is 30, like this. Now, in this next one, A is equal to minus 1.5 and D is equal to minus 0.25 will be solution. So here first term, A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to minus 0.25. This is given. Now first term is already there, that is A1 or A2. Now A2 is equal to A plus D, which is minus 1.25 plus of minus 0.25. Remember here, both are minus. When we are adding negative integers, when we add negative integers, ignore first negative integer addition. How we add? Just like whole numbers and put minus sign. Minus 1.25 plus minus 0.5 will give you minus 1.50. This is the second term. Now the third term, A3 is equal to A2 plus D, which will give you, that is minus 1.50 plus minus 0.25 will be equal to minus 1.75. Next, A4 is equal to A3 plus D, which is equal to minus 1.75 plus minus 0.25 will give you, both are negative integers, we are adding them, so minus 2.00. Next, A5 is equal to A4 plus D, so minus 2.00 plus minus 0.25, adding the negative integers, add and put the same sign, so minus 2.25. Therefore, the next four terms are, what are those? First term already he mentioned. We are finding the next four terms, that is minus 1.50, minus 1.50, next minus 1.75, next minus 2.00, minus 2.25. These are the next four terms. We are not using the formula, we are just adding the common difference to obtain the next terms. We are adding the common difference to obtain the next terms. I hope you understood. See here, he is asking the terms. I hope you understood what we are doing. Next to four terms. Actually, he asked the first four terms. Write the first four terms after AP. Including this means we no need to calculate A5. Excluding this, because first four terms means even 10 also will include. The next four terms are this, and here the next four terms are this. But he is asking first four terms. First four terms means what you will get. Therefore, the first four terms, here I am writing, check it once, here I am writing, therefore, first four terms are, what are those? 10, 20, 30 and 40. Next means we are including this. So here also, therefore the first four terms are, what are the first four terms? One is minus 1.25, next minus 1.50, minus 1.50, minus 1.75, minus 2.00. These are the next four terms, the first four terms. Actually, what we did, we found the next four terms, but including this, first four terms are 10, 20, 30, 40. Here I wrote the final statement, and for this final statement, the first four terms are, why we are not writing minus 2.25 in this? Because minus 2.25 is the next four, the fifth term. But he is asking the first four terms including the given term. I hope you understood. Now we see question number 3. Question number 3. That is, for the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So for the following APs, we have to find out the first term and the common difference. So here the question number 1, 3, 1, minus 1 and minus 3 and so on. So these are the terms in the question Question number 3, first one, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. What he is asking? For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. So the terms are already in AP. What is the meaning? The terms are already in AP. Now you have to find out first term and common difference. What is the first term here? 3 is the first term. So solution. First term. First term A is equal to 3. Now difference. Difference. Which difference he is asking? Common difference. So you have to find out common difference. How to find out common difference? Common difference denoted by D, which is equal to difference of all the two terms, that is, here I am writing A2 minus A1 or, okay, so A2, what is term 2? 1 minus 3, so 1 minus 3, which will give you minus 2. Next, here only I am writing D is equal to A3 minus A2 minus 1, this is third term, so minus 1 minus of 1, which will give you minus 2. Next, common difference. You see, the terms are already there, okay. Already the series is in AP. Therefore, why I am checking? Sometimes you will forget. If we ask question, check whether the terms are in AP or not. You will find out only 2 times. So you have to find at least 3 or 4 terms common difference. You see now you are getting the same common difference. So here, therefore, the first term A is equal to 3. Common difference D is equal to, what is the common difference? D is equal to minus 2. D is equal to common difference is minus 2. I hope you understood. Now we see the same, one more question. In this first term A, what is the first term? First term A is equal to 1 by 3. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2 value? Second term minus first term. So 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3, which is equal to, they are like fractions. So 5 minus 1 will be, when you subtract, so 3, 5 minus 1 is, observe it, they are the like fractions. We are writing the same denominator, subtract the numerators. 5 minus 1 is 4. Now one more we find out here. This is D is equal to, observe it, A3 minus A2. What is A3? 9 by 3, 5 by 3, and A2 is 5 by 3. So 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3 will give you 4 by 3. Now you observe common difference. So therefore first term is equal to 1 by 3, and common difference is how much? 4 by 3. Common difference is 4 by 3. Already the terms are in AP. You are identifying only first term and common difference. First term and common difference. Now, question number 4. Which of the following are APs if if they form of an AP, find the common difference D and write three more terms. See the difference between the first question, the second question and fourth question. He asked write the first four terms including the given term, but here he is asking if it forms an AP, write the next three more terms. So first we need to check whether it is an AP or not. How to identify whether it is an AP or not? By getting the common difference, by finding the common difference. If the common difference is same, then we can say that it is an arithmetic progression. So in this, the first term is, observe it. What is the first term here? Yes, that is 2. So first term A is equal to 2. First term A is equal to 2. Now common difference. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 or A3 minus A2 or A4 minus A3. Means all the time it should be same. Every time it should be the same. Then only common difference. We say that the terms are in arithmetic progression. Now you see here, first A2 minus A1. So first one D is equal to A2 minus A1 I am calculating. Observe it everyone. A2 minus A1. First A2 minus A1. Here I am writing D is equal to A2 minus A1, which will be 5 by 2 minus 2. Observe it. 5 by 2 minus 2. So 5 by 2 minus 2 by 1. 5 by 2 minus 2 by 1. How to find out the subtraction? Here we had like fractions, so we subtracted. But here we have unlike fractions. We need to find LCM. So LCM of these two is 2. 2 table 2 one time, 1 into 5, 5 minus 1 table 2 will come 2 times, 2 2s are 4, which will give you 1 by 2. So what is the difference you got? 1 by 2. Still we have to check. He is asking whether which of the following forms an AP. So next D is equal to A3 minus A2. What is that term? 3. So 3 minus 5 by 2, which will give you again 3 by 1 we can write, as it is a whole number. So we can write as denominator by 1. So LCM will be 2. 1 table 2, how many times you get? 1 table 2, how many times? 2 times. 2 3s are 6 minus 2 table 2, 1 time, 1 into 5, 5. 6 minus 5 is 1 by 2. The common difference is 6. Again we find D is equal to A4 minus D is equal to next two terms A4 minus A3. So A4 minus A3 is equal to A4 is what? 7 by 2 minus 3. So you can find out LCM. You can write as by 1. So 2 is the LCM. 2 table 2 1 time, 7 minus 1 table 2 2 times, 2 3s are 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. You see in all the places you are getting the common difference same. Common difference is same. So therefore common difference D is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the terms, which are the terms? 2 comma 5 by 2 comma 3 comma 7 by 2 are in AP. They form AP. If the terms form an AP, write three more terms for this. So 3 more terms means you already given first, second, third, fourth. We are going to find fifth term, that is A5 is equal to, what is A4? 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is the common difference. So we are adding 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which will give you LCM is same. So 7 plus 1 8 which is equal to, which you can write as 4. Now a6 is equal to a6, sixth term, a5, this is 4 plus 1 by 2, which will give you LCM. You can take as 2, then 2 table, 2 is the LCM, 1 table 2, 2 times 2 4s are 8 plus 1, which is equal to 9 by 2. Next a7, that is 9 by 2 plus 1 by 2, they are the like terms. 9 plus 1 is 10 by 2, which is equal to 5. So the next 3 terms are the 3 more terms, or the next 3 terms, are, what are those? 4, 9 by 2 and 5. He is asking next 3 terms only. So we are finding next 3 terms. I hope you understood. First we are verifying whether this is an AP or not. How to identify? The common difference must be same for the given terms a2 minus a1, a3 minus a2, a4 minus a3. Then if it is AP, means common difference is same, so we obtain the next 3 more terms. If the difference is not same, then we cannot, the term is, it is not an AP, no need to find the terms. He is asking if it forms AP, then only we need to find. I hope you understood. Now we see in the same question, fifth bit, which of the following terms are in AP? If they are in AP, we need to find the common difference and find more 3 terms. So in that, see given here, solution, the first term. What is the first term? 3. Second term, third term, fourth term. First term, second term, third term, fourth term. So, first D is equal to, what is the common difference? Common difference. So, common difference is equal to, D is equal to, common difference is denoted by D. A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, which is equal to A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. Observe it. A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, A4 minus A3. The difference must be equal. Now here, D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? This one. 3 plus root 2 and A1 is 3. So 3 plus root 2 minus 3. See, this is plus 3 and this is minus 3. 0. Then we will have root 2. Do you understand? Plus 3 minus 3 is what? 0. Gets cancelled. So root 2. Next. Again, A3 minus A2. What is A3? 3 plus 2 root 2. So 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of, observe it. 3 plus 2 root 2 minus of 3 plus root 2. 3 plus root 2. Now in this 3 plus 2 root 2, open the bracket, minus 3 minus root 2. Minus root 2. Plus 3 minus 3 cancel. And here we have, this is 2 times root 2 and this is 1 time root 2. 2 times root 2 minus 1 time root 2 is root 2. So here also you can 3 plus minus 3 cancel, you can, so that it is 0, it makes 0. That's why we didn't write as 0. So common difference you got here also 2, root 2. Then D is equal to A4 minus A3. What is A4? 3 plus 3 root 2. I think this is 3 root 2 in the question. 3 root 2. 3 root 2. So 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 3 root 2 minus A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2. Now 3 plus 3 root 2, open the bracket, minus into plus, minus 3 minus into plus, minus 2 root 2. So plus 3 minus 3 cancel. 3 times root 2 minus 2 times root 2 3 times root 2 minus 2 times root 2 will give you root 2. Therefore d is same. Therefore common difference d is equal to root 2 in all the cases. That's why these terms are in AP. So 3 comma 3 plus root 2 comma 3 plus 2 root 2 comma 3 plus 3 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 3 root 2 are in AP. They form AP. If they form AP, more 3 terms. So more 3 terms means first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So we are going to find A5. A5 is equal to this 3 plus 3 root 2 plus common difference is how much? Which is the common difference? This is the common difference. So 3 plus 3 root 2 plus root 2. Before term and the common difference. This is common difference. Adding, so 3 plus 3 times root 2 plus 1 time root 2 is 4 times root 2. Next A6 is 3 plus 4 root 2 plus the common difference is root 2. So 3 plus 4 times root 2 plus 1 time 3 plus 5 times root 2. Next A7 next 3 terms is asking 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2 will give you 3 plus 6 times root 2. Therefore, the next 3 terms are what are those? 3 plus 4 root 2 comma 3 plus 5 root 2 comma 3 plus 6 root 2. He is asking only next 3 terms. I hope you understood. First we are finding common difference. If difference is same, then only we can say it is an AP. If it is an AP, next 3 more terms. Now you see question number 6. So in this difference, common difference. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, which is equal to A3 minus A2, which is equal to A4 minus A3. So D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? 0.22 minus 0.2. Which will give you, how to subtract this one? See here, 0.22, 0.2. When you subtract whole number under the whole number, decimal part under the decimal part, first tens place, then hundredths place. So this 2 and 0 point, so minus 0.02, minus 0.02. Observe it, minus 0.02. Next, D is equal to A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, 0.222 minus 0.22. Again you see here, so 0.22, are you following? 0.222 minus 0.22. So 0. There are no minus sign over here. 0.222 minus 0.22. This is 2, 0, 0, put point. So 0. Sorry, here also no minus. I'm very sorry. Minus only there here. We are subtracting. So no minus sign. This is a bigger number. So 0.002. Next, D is equal to A4 minus A3. 0.222. This is the fourth term minus 0.222, which you subtract. So 0.222. This is here, one more term has come, 0.22. Then here 0.22 minus 0.222. 0.0002. You see here, is the common difference is same? No. Therefore, common difference is not same. The given terms are not in AP. If the terms are not in AP, you can no need to find next 3 more terms. When do we say the terms are in AP? Common difference must be same. Here 0.02, here 0.002, 0.0002. So it is not same. That's why the given terms are not in AP. Which are the given terms? 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222. These are not in AP. I hope you understood how to find the terms are in AP or not, how to find the difference. If they form an AP, how to obtain the next terms if you ask in the question. So here we have some homework questions from exercise 5.1, page number 99 as well as 100. Continuation. Question number 2, these are the bits, second, third, fourth. Question number 3, second and fourth. Question number 4, you have many questions. I explained 3. In that, now left over 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 and 15. So these are the homework questions. I hope you understood how to find out the terms are in a given series is an AP or not, how to find the common difference, how to find the next 3 more or 4 more terms in the given series. Thank you.